Welcome back to my channel, you know what I'm saying, gang gang.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange, well I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Kashiajabre, and today I will be telling you guys all about this Virgo water wave hair. It is super duper pretty. I love how it came out. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed it and how I got it looking all natural and stuff. So if you are interested to see this video, then just keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button too. I'm going to give you 5 seconds, sis. You got 5 seconds. Bag that the hair came in was this pink bag. It's plastic on one side and this is, I don't know how to explain this material, but y'all get it. And then they gave me this card. It says Virgo hair is all in, and it's basically telling you to rate their hair based on how you like it, and it shows you how to contact them, and it tells you about their exchange policy and all of that good stuff. So yeah, okay, so once you take the hair out of the bag, this is what the hair looks like. It is in these plastic bags, and it tells you the inch that you got. I got 3 22-inch water wave bundles, and this is what it looks like once you take it out of the bag. In the bag, it has a little net around it, but this is what the hair looks like when you take it out of the bag. As you guys can see, this hair is so pretty. Look at this. Look, and I like this. I've never seen this on any other hair company's bundles. I really like that, but this is what the hair looks like when you take it out of the bag. And he also sent me a, I believe, 20-inch closure. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong, but I can't show you guys the closure right now. I'll show you guys later on in the video because I just recently washed it, so it's trying to dry. And so yeah, this is what the hair looks like. It's just like pretty much like loose, kind of wavy texture. I don't really know how to explain it, but the hair is soft. But to see how I install this hair, just keep watching. Okay, so I just got out the shower, and in the shower I just washed, conditioned, and detangled my hair, and I put it in these 4 plaits so that it can be stretched, and also so that I can show y'all this next process. So I won't be having on this wig for probably like more than a day or 2, so I just use this little method just to get by basically, because I don't have time to be braiding down my whole head, and I'm only gonna have this wig on for probably like a day. So I use these 4 plaits, and I'm gonna show you guys how I get them to lay flat. Okay, so now that I have this braid a little bit tighter, what I like to do is I like to take one of the bottom braids, and I just like to bring it around under the other and bobby pin it. It may look crazy, but I promise y'all nobody is gonna see this, so it doesn't matter. You might need quite a few bobby pins to do this, but yeah, just make sure your braid ain't going nowhere. Okay, so then you want to take the other bottom braid and you're going to do the same exact thing. Okay, so now you're going to take these and you're going to go around the bottom just like you did the other ones, and you're going to pin these 2. Okay, so now that you have your hair all pinned, it should look something like this. I have no idea what it looks like in the back. I honestly don't even care either. Now what you want to do is you want to take a wig cap. I don't know what they call these, but I got it from my local beauty supply, so I think they was like $2, and it came with 2 in it. So, and I just got this light tan shade. I hope you guys can see. I just got this light tan shade, and the brown part that y'all see is foundation. I'm going to show you why I do that. So I'm just going to put this on and make sure that it's on right, and I want this brown part to be right here. So the reason that it is brown right here is because this is where you're going to be able to see my part. And so I just put foundation right here because this cap is a little bit too light and my scalp does not look like that in real life. So I just use my foundation to make it look more realistic. Now I'm going to be taking this unit that I made myself using the Virgo water wave bundles, and I'm just going to slip this on. And so this is what it looks like when I first put it on, and of course I'm going to customize it and do all that good stuff. I have washed the closure, but I haven't washed the bundles. I have just been detangling the bundles, but I haven't washed it yet. And so this is what I guess the hair looks like in its natural state. I have not put any products in it whatsoever except for water. I've already plucked it while I made the wig. So if you guys want me to make a video on how I make the wig, how I pluck the wig and all that good stuff, then I can show you guys that. But now I'm just going to show you how I basically make it look realistic. So if you are interested to see that, then just keep watching. So before I do anything in the front, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the hair, split it down the middle, and drench this hair in water. And so now I'm just going to use my paddle brush and I'm going to detangle this hair from bottom to top. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Mia Honey and Ginger styling gel and I'm just going to put this all over the hair. And what this is going to do is just going to maintain the wet look, because as you guys can see, when this hair dries, it's out of control. So this is just going to hold the curl in place. I'm just going to take the hair and I'm going to scrunch it. So now I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on this side to this side. So now that I have the hair all detangled and it has that product all over it, I'm going to show you guys how I customize this part, because this is the most important part. This is what people are going to be looking at, sis. So let me just show you what I do, and yeah, so let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to find out where your baby hairs are. And so I'm just going to use this rat tail comb and I'm just going to try to locate where they're at, because I already cut some, but I probably end up having to cut some more because I plucked a lot of hair today, so they're probably gone wherever they was at. I'm just going to section off the hair that I want to be my baby hairs. And the rest of the hair I'm just going to clip back. Okay, so with this hair I'm just going to cut it. I probably need to cut it a little bit shorter than that. I'm going to take some of this Got To Be Glued. I'm going to use my toothbrush. You don't want a lot. I made that mistake last time. You don't want a lot of Got To Be Glued, because just in case you mess up your baby hairs, you want to be able to come back and do it. Got to be, when it's on there, it's on there. Try not to use a lot. Just try to dab it on your hand a little bit, just to make sure that you don't have a lot. So now I'm just going to swoop as I would if I had my natural baby hairs. And so now I'm just going to leave that side alone and I'm going to go to this side and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now this looks better than I thought it was gonna look. Oh my god, I might know what I'm doing. Okay, so now that I have my baby hair set, I'm just gonna use a bandana. No, I'm not in no gang, because I already know y'all gonna comment down below, I am blind, I am gang. I already know somebody gonna comment, so no, I am not. This is just what I use for my hair. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna tie it around my edges so that my edges can set. Okay, so now sis, you want to make sure that your tracks ain't showing. So I'm just going to take some water and spray it around this part. I'm going to use a bristle brush to lay this. And if the bottom part of your hair gets a little frizzy during this process, you just want to add a little bit more water and just a little bit more product, and it'll do the job. After about 5 minutes, your baby hair should be set, especially if you use Got To Be Glued. So I'm just going to untie this. And as you guys can see, it looks like a frontal. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but I bleached my own knots. And if you guys want a video on all of that, like I said before, just comment down below. Just tell me if you guys want to see it or not. Alright, so now sis, it's kind of laid already, but knowing me, I'm extra. So I like to take my hot comb. And to make sure this part is laid, honey, what you want to do is you want to take the part that's not the comb. This is the Andes. I think that's what it's called, Andy's hot comb. I got it from Walmart. It was like $20, so it ain't that much. And I just like to lay that on the part so that it can just lay flat and it looks natural. I just burnt my wig. Be careful, y'all. Once all of this is done, your hair should look something like this. I'm kind of surprised that I made this closure look like a frontal, and it's not impossible. I'm a beginner. I'm about to go put on some clothes and put on some makeup so you guys can see the look all pulled together, and then I will close out the video when I get done. Okay, so this is the final look of the hair. I really love this hair. It reminds me of my birthday hair, but this is a much looser wave. I like this hair because it's not too much. It's long. Let me show you guys how long it is. I forgot what inch they sent me. I will look, but look how long it is, y'all. Look how long. Even though it's long, I really like it. Like, it's super cute on me, and I feel like I did a good job laying this wig. I have no complaints about this hair. I used 3 bundles and a closure, and I didn't even use all of the last bundle, so basically like 2.5 bundles and a closure. And so this is what I came up with. If you guys want to purchase this hair, all the information will be in the description box, of course. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to thumbs this video up, and also hit that subscribe button because my cash baby's lit. Okay, I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.